100? Mia, brother? Okay.
حلو هذا
حلوة؟
هنا ذا
أيوة.
Shawarma chicken.
Shawarma
Beef.
chicken.
Yeah.
Good? Chicken good?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Lady this. Look how she cross.
This hot. Good. Good. Number one, Abu Ahmed. No steam.
And they give me this as a gift, هدية, kark. So guys, this is the end of our pyramid tour.
just photo the finger.
Hope to visit again, maybe after a few years. Because of the vibes. The vibes are really incredible. So I want to visit the Faisal Street here in Giza. So as this is the most touristic area. 100? Mia, brother? Okay. Ya Allah, Bismillah. Okay, I met this guy. He wanted 200, but I didn't agree. I agreed for 100. No, I know.
في حفلتي بقى
I see.
انا شايف على
If
طريق
it's
الفيوم
really
دي حفله
long way, I will give him some more.
تقول ايه الليله
Alright.
في حفله والله حلوه ولا وحشه بقى مين اللي قال لك عليه حد مننا ولا حد منك اللي قال لك عليه
Allah. Bismillah. Let's go. So here we are in the Faisal Street. Here we came. Let's see what we have here for eating, because I'm really hungry after the whole day. I just want to check the Uber price from here to my hotel. It's about 10 miles. 180 for Uber. I think I can do it for 200, 250 without any problem. I'll find somewhere to eat, and come back to you later. I'll try to cross the road. It's extremely dangerous cross. Okay. Maybe we'll try to cross after this tuk-tuk. I should run. Yeah. That's how it works here in Egypt. Wow, we have coffee house here as well. Definitely we'll try after food. Right, let's go. Assalamu alaikum. شكرا. الأكل بعد قهوة. I will eat
حادق
حلوة؟
عندنا ذا؟
ايوه. ما في؟
استني اهو اسال ابوي.
كويس؟
ابوي يعرف.
شكرا حبيبي. الو السلام عليكم. Thank you brother.
What's your name?
اسمي مراد.
مراد. هلا مراد. عمر مراد.
I'm going to eat some food then come and it's your place?
You sit down, come to shop, you come in food, chicken, shawarma, pizza.
Okay, I will have some food and come
No problem.
to coffee shop.
Your food?
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Don't worry, I will
Yes,
find
for
some.
baby.
شكرا حبيبي. شكرا. So, I will. Here's a bakery as well.
عرفته؟
Let's find out this place. Breads, local breads. This one is a fish restaurant, seafood restaurant. I will not go with the seafood. I will go further with some sandwiches. Meat place. Assalamu alaikum. Min hada? Where is this place? Huh?
والله ما اعرف.
تمام شكرا حبيبي.
عفوا معلش سامحنا.
تمام شكرا.
طلعنا فيها ده. والله.
شكرا.
اسال انت ومشي.
ما في شكرا. هاي بالضبط.
تعالى توصلنا من النقطه دي عادي. وصلها لمين؟ توصل النقطه الجاي.
So I will go under this bridge. Assalamu alaikum brother. Do you know where is this place? Here? Here, okay, shukran habibi. No, I was heading to the right place. People are nice, really. The battery charge is finished, so I changed my battery. Hopefully I have a few batteries more. So I need to cross the road again to that side, to that part. Find this good place. The map doesn't show the right location. So I will try to cross this road again, this great road. It's crazy hard to cross the road here. That reminds me of Luxor. We'll wait till... Okay, everyone just cross. Don't wait for anything. Right, let's run. Let's do it. So this road is more chaotic. Really chaotic place. Okay, I just will eat anything I find. I don't search specifically for this place. I just eat anything. Oh my god. Sorry. I didn't understand the guy was trying to What was the guy trying to? Shukran. These restaurants are not rated too good, but the restaurants in previous street was better. Okay, I will decide. I just come and try this one. Let's see what they have. Kareem. Assalamu alaikum. Halak. What do you have in your menu? Do you speak English?
This full chicken, rice and fries.
Ah, no, that's too much for me. Maybe some roll.
Shawarma chicken.
Shawarma
Beef.
chicken.
Yeah.
Good? Chicken good?
Yeah.
Let's go with chicken.
Okay.
Shawarma chicken.
Sandwich or crepe?
Sandwich. Sandwich, yes.
Medium, large, extra.
Which one is this?
Fries. This medium.
This medium. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go medium. They have crepe as well, but I ate already crepe. I want just shawarma. And how much? How much medium? 120. It's about $2.40, something like this. So that's good. So here's the shawarma. And if you order crepe, there's no crepe here. They even put shawarma rolls, sandwich rolls over here. Inside is dark. Maybe I will take it with me. And I told the guy from the other part that I will come to drink coffee with him. So I just buy here my shawarma and go there, drink a coffee. So they have some chicken options like this as well. Here are their fried potatoes. They have more things in menu. They have the chicken, grilled chicken. They serve it with the rice as well. I will pay after my shawarma is done. The place name is New Roaster in Faisal Street. Okay, let's see how it is going. Oh, again. Road crossing problem. I will go after this motorbike. Which is speaking by default. Right. Here we are. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Very nice people here. Saying hello. Everyone smiles. Everyone looking like this. After you say Assalamu alaikum, they starting smiling. Yes, they're just curious about what I'm doing here. In their traditional dress, with kufiya on my head. Assalamu alaikum. Hayakallah. Really, everyone's curious. Oh, again this road. Let's cross it and go to cafe house where I met two nice guys. I promised to have coffee with them. Oh my god, the lady just look how she crossed. I'm not able to do this. Even I have health insurance. Look at this. Oh, I couldn't cross. Right. Let's see. Okay. I need to do like this, but no. Oh my god. It's crazy. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
تفضل.
Shukran. So, gentlemen have coffee. I will order a coffee.
أبو آية.
Aywa.
نيم أبو آية.
What?
نيم
Babaya?
أبو آية.
Abu Ay.
This hot, good. Good. Number one, Abu Ahmed. No steam.
So I came to this coffee place in Faisal Street. The name is Coffin House.
Coffin House.
Yes, Coffin House. In Faisal Street.
Yes, good, brother.
So my memory was finished on my camera. So I decided to complete my video here with my phone. I ate already my shawarma. It wasn't that good, unfortunately. I just was really hungry. I don't have enough charge in my phone, so I need to stop. I'll try coffee. Well, we'll let you know how it is. That's 100% great. So I just will go home, will charge my phone, will decide what to do with my memory card. See you later. So I came to a sweet shop here in the Faisal Street. I tasted some azizia, and I bought this for 66. And they give me this as a gift, hadiya, kark. That's kark. It's nice, very nice Egyptian sweets. Alright, we'll taste it at home.